Alright, so we got Nidalee for the classic, then this one to the quote. Is this like Rumble or Tristana maybe? Yeah, okay, Tristana, there we go.
You're not the only Yordle who knows how to fly, Corky.
Right, then the ability, which is, I'm pretty sure, Thresh passive. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Thresh passive, Damnation, sure. Then the emojis. Should this be V or set maybe? Yeah, I have no idea what this line is supposed to be. Like, what? Let's crank. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I have no idea what these lines are though. Like, this is for it being a fist. This is for the robot, but these two lines I have no idea, man. But yeah, then lastly, this Splashart, this is just the default Ornn. Let's go. It's such a good Splashart. There we go, default. And yeah, that was today's Loldle. Thanks for watching, enjoy.